Ever wondered how aging and lifespan are influenced by both genetics and lifestyle? Or how something as simple as swimming can enhance learning? What role does biological sex play in musculoskeletal recovery? It may seem impossible to know it all, but that's where we come in and it's possible here. We gather insights from verified research publications and transform them into clear, actionable knowledge. With our space biology knowledge engine, understanding complex biology phenomena has never been easier. Welcome to BioSpace, where space biology comes to life and knowledge fuels discovery. Over the years, NASA has conducted hundreds of bioscience experiments in space, producing over 600 scientific publications. But there seems to be a problem here. The data is fragmented, hidden in technical paper, and difficult to connect. What if we could bring all these insights together into a dynamic, user-friendly system? One that turns scattered knowledge into clear pathways for discovery. Wouldn't it be insane? Therefore, we created the BioSpace AI. Let's understand further on the methodology of the web app. First and foremost, NASA research papers are uploaded. Then, these research papers are scanned using OCR so that even scanned PDFs become readable text. Next, the text is split into smaller pieces and converted into vectors, which are numerical representations of their meaning. These vectors are stored in a high-speed database powered by FAISS, allowing the system to quickly retrieve relevant information. When a user asks a question, it's also converted into a vector. The system then compares the question vector with the stored document vectors and finds the three most relevant chunks. Finally, these chunks, along with the user's question, are sent to Gemini 2.5 Flash, which generates a clear, concise answer, including links to the original documents as supporting evidence. The result is a powerful tool that helps scientists, researchers, and decision makers turn decades of space biology research into actionable insights quickly and reliably. Alright, so let's move on to our BioSpace AI. What we have here is the front page of the app. The design is tailored to be simple and neat to ensure that it is user-friendly, and as you can see, the chat history is collapsible as well. After asking the chatbot a question, it will provide answers and cite the sources, which then we could get additional info of the source document by clicking the button below. A small view of the original document is also included so that the user can understand or visualize the information better. There is also a narrator feature that the user can use to avoid screen fatigue. In addition, the user can also ask additional queries to the chatbot regarding the previous document to obtain more information. We also added a voice-to-text feature where the app converts spoken prompts into text accurately. Other than that, the user can choose to have a real-time conversation with our interactive chatbot because oftentimes speaking is often quicker than typing, and it also improves efficiency where the chatbot can immediately clarify or ask follow-up questions. Exploring NASA space biology research isn't always easy. Downloading research papers manually takes a lot of time and effort, and when data is limited, the system's accuracy can drop significantly. OCR can also be tricky as tables, charts, and graphs often don't come out correctly, making the information hard to read. Even breaking the text into chunks presents challenges. Too small and you lose context, too large and you lose meaning. The good news is that the future looks bright. Planned upgrades include more datasets, real-time updates, and advanced visualizations. Research papers will also be ingested automatically, eliminating the need for manual downloads. With these improvements, discovering and analyzing space biology research will become faster, smarter, and much easier than ever before. In conclusion, we have built an AI-driven platform that makes NASA's bioscience research accessible and easy to understand in seconds. By summarizing over 600 publications, it turns decades of experiments into clear insights, highlighting key findings and knowledge gaps. This tool helps scientists form new hypotheses and supports mission planners in designing safe human exploration of the Moon and Mars. With future updates like real-time data and advanced visualizations, it will be even more powerful. BioSpace is more than a tool. It's a way to turn complex research into actionable knowledge, fueling humanity's journey beyond Earth. So that's all from Team BioSpace. Explore BioSpace AI today and see how easily you can uncover insights from NASA's space biology research. Thank you.